Alright, you guys, here we go. Okay. Not entirely convinced about the quality, guys. The fuck? Fucking disco dust on it. What? Again, there's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just trying them out for the feel of it. Pick this bone stock piece of wood here, that cut off end. It's got a big split down it, and yeah, just to get the feel, guys. All right, here's the cupping one that I was using, or the spoon chisel, excuse me, spoon chisel. I like that one. This beveled edge looks like, I don't know, let me see if I can get a good angle for you guys. It's like it's got like two separate profiles on it. It almost looks like it's been like coated with something, like a clear coat. But I'll try the beveled chisel on this side. Oof. Yeah. Right away. Look at, you can see it's like soft in the middle almost. I don't know. Try it on this side. Beveled chisel in the top three. The grades are also coming with how easily these things are going to be sharpened. Yep. Spooning chisel. So far, this is number one right here. Okay.